got a duffel bag for you too. Could you use one or two?
Well, we'll just go with it. Hopefully it's recording. Go ahead.
So Cindy, my name is Freebird. I go by Freebird.
Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Jamie and Aaron told me about a little bit about what was going on, and you're trying to get to Arizona or something like that to family.
Yeah.
And so I know sometimes it's hard to ask for help. I have a hard time asking for help.
Yeah, that can happen. Yeah,
so you don't have to ask, and I have a gift for you. And I would be honored if you would please accept it. Okay? Okay. This should get you to family. Okay. This is a $50 gift card at Walmart if you need blankies or anything. This is a $50 gift card at 7-Eleven, food or gas. I calculated what it would cost you probably to get to Arizona. That should get you there with food and warmth and comfort so you can go be with your family. Okay, ma'am? It's my pleasure to be able to do this. And I want you to safely get there so you can be with your family because you need family now, ma'am. Okay? May I have a hug? Of course. Take care of yourself, okay? Be safe on the road, okay? And this too shall pass, ma'am. Okay? You take care of yourself and you get to your family, okay? Okay?
I need to let my son, my grandkids.
This will get you there. I've calculated it for you.
Do you need a bag? Or you?
She wants two. I'm gonna go get another one. I'm gonna go get a black one for you.
Okay, here's one. This is from Freebird.
We've got a cute green one.
Oh, fantastic!
And I'm gonna go get a black one for you. And they're on wheels.
Oh, nice!
So I'm gonna go grab a black one, okay?
Okay, cool.
And you get to your family. You need family, ma'am. Okay?
Thank you.
Let me go grab you another bag. You're welcome. Because good people need help, honey. And it's okay to ask for help if you need help. Okay? There's nothing, I've needed help in my life before, and people have helped me. And so that's what Jamie does. Jamie put the call out. And so it's going to be good. You get to your grandbabies. Okay?
My grandson and my granddaughter.
Yes, you get to your grandbabies. I'm going to go grab you another bag.
Thank you.
Do you have a pet? I have dog food and cat food.
I do, but he's with a sponsor right now, so I'm waiting to and get everything together and see if I can get him. And he's at least with a good person.
Right.
I trust with him.
I'm going to go grab you another duffel bag.
Thank you.
Okay. I'll be right back, Jamie.
All right.